Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 5i. Today I'll show you quick gameplay from Pokémon Go. So, let's firstly enter our date of birth, for example right here, and go as new player. Let's select the first account. And allow. Okay. As you can see right here in the center, we've got our character. And this is how map looks like. We've got some Pokémons, Pokéstops, streets, gyms. And basically that's how it looks like. Maybe let's begin with entering our character menu. In here we've got our statistics, our friends. We can add them, invite them and search for them. We can change our style, see our journal and see our body history. Okay. Next, if we tap here, we've got access to more specific menu. Like we can see our Pokémons we've already catched. Also we can see Pokédex. Shop. And items. Also we've got battles. Maybe we can try to catch some Pokémon right now. For example, this Weedle. And we've got him on the first try. Maybe the second one. Right here we can use some berries to help us catch the Pokémon. And we can change between different Pokéballs. Let's try again. We're lucky today. Okay, so next let's go to Pokéstops. In Pokéstops we can get some rewards like Pokéballs, like berries, potions, etc. To achieve them you have to enter Pokéstop and spin the circle. Next is quests. If you tap here, you get access to quests. Special, field and today. Complete quests to gain rewards. And the last thing is possible area of Pokémons. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.